Hey, this is Space from Space's Box. These are some nice washers and dryers. They're Speed Queen commercial washers and dryers. They're using this new pay system, but it kind of sucks for a person that is something that needs it. They use coins. You can't use coins on these. You have to use an smartphone or app. They are beautiful washers and dryers, but one thing I noticed is this is at Villa de Paz. They used to have a fucking movie camera up here so if somebody left their laundry, I had to stay here for my laundry today because one night I thought my laundry got invaded because they used to have cameras up here on top of this Coca-Cola machine, you know. And sometimes this one makes a lot of noise, but it's a pretty good washer and dryers. In the same way, they use these numbers, and then they also use mobile apps. So you can't use to pay for it. You have to use Google Pay or Apple Pay or credit cards. It does not work if you don't have something that is if you don't have money. So you have to get them in here with a smartphone. And if you don't own a smartphone, like my roommate used to never own a smartphone. She never owned a smartphone. She always used my phone, and sometimes she'd have to get access to my phone to have access to be able to get into my phone. So I don't know if she stole from me or used my phone in mysterious ways when she came into her laundry. And I didn't know it was my iPhone 15. I don't know. I love her. She's been my roommate for over 10 years. She was my roommate because friendship made me have her as a roommate. And she was trying to be a librarian, and I was going to get a magic degree, but we're both stationed here through different leases on different things from Friendship Shelter. This is Villa de Paz apartment. Anyway, thanks for watching. But it doesn't open a lot of things up, so if you have a family or friends that need access to do laundry, you're going to have to give them some type of a smartphone. The smartphone I have currently in my hand is on Cricket Wireless, but it does have an eSIM from Mint Mobile, and I don't really like Mint Mobile because I hear the guy in my head that works for Mint Mobile, and he wasn't real helpful for me because I used to have the iPhone Pro Max, and it was a great phone, but then it stopped working after I had 3 eSIMs on it, and then it started resetting all the time. Went to Apple, and they just kind of laughed at me, and for some odd reason I couldn't remember the damn password. So I brought my IDs, both my IDs, and it used to be where you go in Apple, you just give them your ID and they reset it. Well, they wouldn't reset it with my ID. They said they needed my ID to see things. Anyway, so I don't know if anybody's been on my other phones since she had access, and also anyway else.